How to become a polysomnography tech. If you're curious about how to become a polysomnographic technologist, you're on the right path. This career involves helping people understand and manage sleep disorders, and it's both rewarding and in demand. First, let's talk about the educational requirements. Most employers need you to complete at least a one-year program in polysomnographic studies. This program can be an associate's degree or a certificate, and it's crucial that it's accredited by the Commission on Accreditation of Allied Health Education Programs, CAHP. For example, Concord Career Colleges offers a polysomnographic technology diploma program that you can complete in as little as 8 months. This program includes hands-on clinical learning experiences to prepare you for the job. In addition to formal education, you'll need to gain some clinical experience. This can be done through a supervised practicum, which is often part of your educational program. For instance, the polysomnography certificate program at Sinclair College includes a non-paid supervised practicum at an affiliated healthcare facility. Once you've completed your education and clinical experience, you'll need to pass the Registered Polysomnographic Technologist (RPSGT) exam. This exam is offered through the Board of Registered Polysomnographic Technologists (BRPT) and is a key step in becoming certified. There are different pathways to becoming an RPSGT, depending on your background. If you're new to the medical field, you can follow pathway number 4, which involves completing an introductory course and meeting other specific requirements. If you're already working in a sleep lab or have a credential in a related healthcare field, there are other pathways available. Regardless of the pathway, you'll also need to obtain Basic Cardiac Life Support (BCLS) certification. This is essential for recognizing and responding to cardiac arrest symptoms. As a polysomnographic technologist, your job will involve performing sleep studies, recording and analyzing data, and reporting your findings to physicians. You'll work under the supervision of a physician or designee, and will need to stay updated on the latest in sleep medicine, respiratory care, neurology, and behavioral sciences. To summarize, becoming a polysomnographic technologist involves completing an accredited educational program, gaining clinical experience, passing the RPST exam, and obtaining BCLS certification. It's a fulfilling career that helps people improve their health and quality of life.